I am joining in with the Helpful Home for Teeny Tidy Tuesday. And she's an awesome channel and she does wonderful videos and really inspires me to get in there and do a project. Doesn't have to be a big project. We don't even have to do the project in the same day. Some of my projects, it takes me 2 or 3 days, and I'm going to share with you what I did and how it finished up. Well, let's go see what Grandma did, but don't forget to go check out the Helpful Home, and of course, check out the playlist and see what everyone did. Because my leg is bothering me so much, I'm only spending about 20 minutes a day in the garden pulling weeds or trying to do something in the garden. Trying to pace myself for I can last as long as I can. But even in 20 minutes, you can pull a lot of weeds out and get a lot of stuff organized. So try a 20-minute cleanup of the garden each day, and at the end of the week, you'll be amazed at what you've been able to accomplish. We have been pulling out weeds for the last couple of weeks, tidying up the garden, along with trimming the trees. But we're still not done. A lot more trees need to be trimmed in Grandma's garden. But you can see a big mess still needs to be cleaned up. Well, I worked in the office this week. I got 3 bags more of trash or things that I didn't want anymore. And just threw a lot of stuff away. I have no idea why it's even in there. It's just trash. So I got 3 bags out, and I may try to work 1 more week on the office. Not that it's going to get clean, but at least see if I can get another 2 or 3 bags out. And what makes it worst of all, I had some things in there that I had put to the side for a future project, and you're not going to believe it. I have now misplaced what I had put aside because I was cleaning the office. So this coming week, I'm going to have to get in there and at least get 3 more bags of trash out and at least find those 3 things that I misplaced for a future post. Couldn't believe that I did that. Oh well, things happen. After this coming week, I'm going to have to go into the garage, and I'll be cleaning and organizing the garage probably for the next probably 3 or 4 weeks. Maybe not every single day, but try to go out there at least a half hour to an hour a day. My leg is really bothering me. I can't do a lot at one time because I'm in too much pain. But I'm going to try to do a little, because you know what's coming up in April, Alice in Wonderland. And where is most of all my Alice in Wonderland pieces? In the garage. So I need to go find them, organize them, and get them ready for post. So get ready for a lot of Alice in Wonderland for April. It'll be the whole month. Hopefully I will get 30 posts up. Having major problems with my tablet. That is the only thing that's scaring me. I am hoping I get it working correctly or I get a new one sometime in April. I really don't know what else to do. Right now we're taking all the stuff off. I have 2 tablets and putting them on an external hard drive for I don't lose my information, but I cannot do that. My granddaughter's doing it and she's on vacation. So we'll see what we get done. We can just do what we can do, and I'm trying my best to try to get as many things put together as I can for you all to watch. And I also wanted to share with you 1 bag of recyclables. And I am doing a lot of savings challenges now, not challenges, I'm joining in with a lot of saving channels. And I'm going to share what I managed to save every month, and I'm putting them in different accounts for you can see where that money came from. And I'm also going to be doing a lot of savings for my dental work, and I have now changed my mind again how I want to do my budget, because the dental work is at the top of my list now to get done. I was going to get the front tooth fixed, but it is so much money. I think I've maybe figured that I'll pass on it for right now. There is a limit to how much I can spend on dental work. But I'm going to fix one of my back molders and get that done, so I can at least chew my food. That's the most important thing. Can't look beautiful all the rest of your life, so I'm not going to worry about it. Eating my food is more important. So that's where my priorities are. We're going to really, really, really try hard to get some dental work done for this year for sure. And if I'm working next year, I'm going to save some more dental work money for another tooth. So I can get maybe one tooth done a year, and that's probably going to be it, because, you know, there's a limit to how much I can save in a year. Well, I thought I would let you know what I've done, and we're also going to go look at the pantry. I also cleaned out the pantry this week. Oh yes, pantry was a mess and a half. That took a couple of days to get that cleaned out and organized. And I thought it turned out pretty good. We're going to show you before and after, and how bad it looked, and it looks better now. All you have to do is, even if you're like me, you can't do it all at once. You just do a little tiny bit at a time until you get it done. The office is a mess. It's still a mess. But hey, 3 more bags of trash came out of that office. If I can do that, I can't say I'm going to do it every week, but if I can do it at least 1 or 2 times a month, that's a big progress. We're going to start working on the garage because of Alice in Wonderland. So keep coming back. You can start seeing my savings, challenges, the money building up, hopefully. I had a lot of things I wanted to share and post, but because my tablet is acting up so bad, I couldn't get the post up. Some of them I had to actually delete because they got, I don't know what happened to them. They got damaged somehow. So I had, what was the sense of even trying anymore? You might as well just delete them. One of my videos took 5 days to get up. The last one I just put up took 2 hours, so that's an improvement instead of 5 days. So we'll see how many days it takes me to get this one here up. Well, let's go see my pantry. As you can see, the pantry was a total mess, and I am going to get in here and clean it out and organize it, for I can just look in there and see what I have. Also, you need to do it about every 3 months and check the dates on the food, so when things are getting old, you can throw them away. It also helps to be able to just look in there and know what I already own and have, for I'm not overspending or over shopping for things I don't need. It really is helping me a lot on my budget, keeping my pantry and refrigerator organized. I am probably saving at least $5 to $10 a week on my grocery bill easy, because I'm not overbuying with things I already own and have. And I need to plan a little more ahead to even get it lower. But we're going to try to see if we can start spending $100 or less from now on. I've done very well the last few weeks doing that, so that's my new plan also. So let me know what you think of the pantry after I get it cleaned and organized. It really helped me, and I hope it inspires you to get into that pantry, even if it's a big mess, to clean and organize it. Now let's see it clean and organized. Well, here is my pantry all tidied up. As you can see, now everything is pretty well organized. I can reach in there and see where the crackers are, the oatmeal, the tomato sauce, the soup, and tuna, and all different kinds of things that I need. Now I'm not going to keep overbuying and over shopping, because I can look in that pantry and see, oh, I have plenty of crackers. I don't need to buy them today. I have plenty of oatmeal. I don't need that either. And tons of tomato sauce. This really helps having it tidy.